साफ हुई, कुछ और. Yes, the figure was becoming clearer and now it is the clearest. वह अपने को छुपाते हुए बढ़ रही थी. Yes, the girl was coming, but she was trying to hide herself. She was trying to hide herself and was coming forward, slowly. बीच बीच में इधर उधर दृष्टि दौड़ाना न भूलती. While she was coming like that forward, she was looking here and there, and she never neglected looking here and there while she was coming towards her Tatara. उसकी खुशी का ठिकाना न रहा. सचमुच वह वामीरो थी. Yes, she was a वामीरो. Tatara was boundlessly happy. Tatara was very, extremely happy and joyous. Yes, because his waiting has resulted in a very positive manner. लगा जैसे वह घबराहट में थी. He observed her and understood only one thing. Maybe she is a little bit scared. She was a little bit afraid. फिर तेज कदमों से चलती हुई ततारा के सामने आकर ठिठक गई. Yeah, she was coming with a lot of scare. She was coming with a lot of confusion. And when she came in front of Tatara, she came and stood there like that. दोनों शब्दहीन थे. None of them was speaking. None of them was opening the mouth, and totally silence spread there. कुछ था जो दोनों के भीतर बह रहा था. See, the greatness of a poet remains how he narrates the silent atmosphere. If some incident is going on, we can describe it with a very ease. Now, what is going on? Total silence. Totally both of them were silent, and Kavi is telling कुछ था जो दोनों के भीतर बह रहा था. Something was going on in the heart of Tatara and also Vamiro, and there is no definition what was going on in both of them. एकटक निहारते हुए वे जाने कब तक खड़े रहे. And see children, this is a most wonderful thing in a thing like love. They were standing like that and they were looking at each other, and nobody knows how much time passed away like that. सूरज समुद्र की लहरों में कहीं खो गया था. And by that time the sun totally set into the sea. अंधेरा बढ़ रहा था. Yeah, it was becoming so dark and dark. अचानक वामीरो कुछ सचेत हुई और घर की तरफ दौड़ पड़ी. Yeah, it was Vamiro that came to senses first, and she was a little bit confused, and she started once again running towards her own village. ततारा अब भी वही खड़ा था, निश्चल शब्दहीन. But what about the other person, Tatara, the young, handsome boy? He was standing there only, though Vamiro was running away from the place. He was standing there without any movement. He was standing there without a single word. दोनों रोज उसी जगह पहुँचते और मूर्तिवत एक दूसरे को निर्निमेष ताकते रहते. Then what happened in the coming days was, every day both of them come there. They stand there like statues. They never talk to each other. They never make their eyes move from the other person. Just they stand there and spend the time and they go away. बस भीतर समर्पण था जो अनवरत घारा था. But what was going in them? What current was flowing in both of them? It was totally so deep, and it was unable to be understood by anybody in the world. लपाती के कुछ युवकों ने इस मूक प्रेम को भांप लिया और खबर हवा की तरह बह उठी। बस भीतर समर्पण था जो अनवरत गहता रहा था। या every day they were coming there, standing there, and they don't speak any word to each other. Kavi says the samarpan. What is samarpan? That is a kind of submission to each other. It's a kind of surrendering to each other. It was going on only through mind and heart. It was going on, deeper and deeper, day by day. लपाती के कुछ युवकों ने इस मूक प्रेम को भांप लिया और खबर हवा की तरह बह उठी। It happened so that some young people of Lapati village, they have seen this Mook Prema. What is Mook Prema? The love that had no words, the love that had no actions, the love that had no other expressions except being silent. This kind of silent love was traced by some people, and many rumors started spreading in the village. वामीरो लपाती ग्राम की थी और ततारा पासा का. In fact, Lapati was the village of Vamiro, where Tatara belonged to Pasa, another village. दोनों का संबंध संभव न था. It's not possible that they can be tied in a relation like marriage just because they belong to two different places. रीति अनुसार दोनों को एक ही गांव का होना आवश्यक था. In those days, a marital alliance was possible when the boy and girl belonged to the same village. वामीरो और ततारा को समझाने बुझाने के कई प्रयास हुए, किंतु दोनों अडिग रहे. People from Lapati village and Pasa village tried to convince and tried to make the relation a little bit divided, but it was not possible for any of them because both Tatara and Vamiro were firm. They never changed their mind and they were very confirm that they live like that. Though marriage is not possible, they wanted to live as two bodies, one soul. वे नियमतः लपाती के उसी समुद्र किनारे पर मिलते रहे. You know what had happened in the future? Both of them were coming, standing on the shore, and they are meeting there every day. It was a rule for them, and both of them were following it without any break. अफवाहें फैलती रही. You know, when something happens like this, people talk many things about the incident. So naturally, rumors were spreading in the villages of Tatara and also Vamiro. We know this is very natural, particularly when we talk about the people in the villages. कुछ समय बाद पासा गांव में पशु पर्व का आयोजन हुआ. You know, in those days in the villages, there was a celebration of animal festival, Pashu Parva. In the village of Tatara, the animal festival was going to be celebrated. पशु पर्व में हृष्ट पुष्ट पशुओं के प्रदर्शन के अतिरिक्त पशुओं से युवकों की शक्ति परीक्षा प्रतियोगिता भी होती है. In this festival, you know what is the interesting thing? Very strong and very energetic animals will be exhibited, and at the same time the energy of the strongest animal will be put into a competition with the strongest person. That means a competition will go in between a strong person and a strong animal also. वर्ष में एक बार सभी गांव के लोग हिस्सा लेते हैं. Because this is an annual function, every year some villages all participate in this function. This is a big celebration and all villages run and take part in these celebrations. बाद में नृत्य, संगीत और भोजन का भी आयोजन होता है. After the competition between the human and animal, there will be something like a cultural activity and dance music also will be arranged, and after that people will have a very good feast. शाम से सभी लोग पासा में एकत्रित होने लगे. Because that was the day of festival, by evening people were slowly gathering in पासा village. धीरे धीरे विभिन्न कार्यक्रम शुरू हुए. So slowly all the activities like say गाना बजाना and people coming with a lot of joy and fun started gathering in the place. ततारा का मन इन कार्यक्रमों में तनिक न था. That day Tatara was not at all say attentive of these things. His mind was not concentrating on this celebration or arrangements that were going on there. उसकी व्याकुल आँखें वामीरो को ढूंढने में व्यस्त थीं. His eyes were busy for searching Wamiro, who he was waiting for. नारियल के झुंड के एक पेड़ के पीछे से उसे जैसे कोई झांकता दिखा. All of a sudden he observed that somebody was peeping from the bush of the coconut trees. You know, in Andaman Nicobar Islands there will be so many plantations of coconuts. It's a place which is very suitable for growing coconut plantations. Some girl was just peeping behind the coconut trees. It was observed by our Tatara. उसने थोड़ा और करीब जाकर पहचानने की चेष्टा की. He moved a little bit forward and tried to identify who was the person peeping behind the say coconut trees. वह वामीरो थी जो भयवश सामने आने में झिझक रही थी. Yeah, he understood that it was none but Wamiro and she was scared to come forward and be clear to the eyes of Tatara. उसकी आँखें तरल थी. Yeah, her eyes were filled with tears. She was unable to speak. She was unable to come forward and she was hiding just behind the coconut trees. होंठ कांप रहे थे. Her lips were shivering with fear. ततारा को देखते ही वह फूट कर रोने लगी. Soon after she could see Tatara, she burst into tears. She started weeping so sadly. Tatara विह्वल हुआ. Tatara was very much moved by her sad feeling. उससे कुछ बोलती ही नहीं बन रहा था. But he was unable to speak to her because she was in a very great say depression and she was crying so much. Nobody can control her crying and her sad feelings. रोने की आवाज़ लगातार ऊंची होती जा रही थी. Yeah, the volume of her crying, the volume of her screaming was going on increasing, say slowly. Tatara किं कर्तव्य विमूढ़ था. He did not know what to do. He did not know what action can be taken further. वामीरो के रुदन स्वरों को सुनकर उसकी माँ वहाँ पहुँची. Her mother, who was there in the celebration, came there by listening to the voice of her daughter. और दोनों को देखकर आग बबूला हो उठी. She saw her daughter and also Tatara on this shore and she became so red. She became so angry and she was unable to control her own anger. सारे गांव वालों की उपस्थिति में यह दृश्य उसे अपमानजनक लगा. She felt it as a very, very severe insult because the people of both the villages were gathering there. Everybody was observing the girl who was crying and the boy who was standing silent in front of her. इस बीच गांव के कुछ लोग भी वहाँ पहुँच गए. When she was standing with uncontrollable anger, some of the villagers also reached there. वामिरो की माँ क्रोध में उफन उठी. She bursted out in her anger within a moment. उसने ततारा को तरह तरह से अपमानित किया. She started talking, blaming the boy Tatara in uncontrollable words. गांव के लोग भी ततारा के विरोध में आवाज़ें उठाने लगे. Even the villagers were talking against Tatara and they were all shouting at him. They were all scolding him with bad words. यहाँ ततारा के लिए असहनीय था. Now Tatara was unable to bear all this nonsense. He was getting a little bit, uncomfortable situation when all the people were blaming him in single tone. वामिरो अब भी रोए जा रही थी. And here on the other side, Vamiro was going on crying. Tatara भी गुस्से से भर उठा. You know, Tatara, who was a very peaceful person, he became very angry and he was uncontrollable in his anger limits. वह उसे जहाँ विवाह की निषेध परंपरा पर क्षोभ था, वह अपनी असहायता पर खींच. Now he was very much irritated by the prohibition of the tradition. That is, people of two different villages can never come into the alliance of marriage. It was disturbing him a lot. It was making him become too angry and he was uncontrollable in his angry moods. And one way he was helpless. Nobody was there to support him. Nobody was there to take care of him, or nobody was there to talk a favorable word for him. वामिरो का दुख उसे गहरा और कर रहा था. Where she was weeping so much, he was moved by it a lot. He was also in a deep depression now. उसे मालूम न था कि क्या कदम उठाना चाहिए. He was in a confusion and he was in an indecisive state that what I have to do now, what decision I can come to now. अनायास उसका हाथ तलवार की मूठ पर जा टिका. Yeah, without any kind of his own effort, his hand was going on to the tip of the sword that was hanging from his traditional dress. क्रोध में उसने तलवार निकाली और कुछ विचार करता रहा. Yeah, he pulled out the sword and he was thinking now very deeply, what shall I do now? क्रोध लगातार अग्नि की तरह बढ़ रहा था. His anger was rising like a wild fire and he was unable to control it. लोग सहम उठे. When his hand was on the handle of the sword, people got scared. People were afraid that he may take any cruel or unkind action with his own sword. एक सन्नाटा सा खिंच गया. Just by his action, people became silent. Now nobody is opening mouth. Nobody is making any kind of screaming now. जब कोई राह न सूझी तो शमन करने के लिए उसमें शक्ति भर उसे धरती में धूप दिया और ताकत से उसे खींचने लगा. Because his mind was so disturbed because he was unable to come to a conclusion, in a very angry mood, you know what Tattara has done? He just pierced the, sword into the earth, and again he pulled it out with a very, very strong, force. वह पसीने से नहा उठा, unable to control his own emotions. Totally his body was wet with sweat. सब घबराए हुए थे. Everyone who was observing him they were very much really scared. They were in a shivering position. They were thinking at any moment he may take any action against them. That was their fear. वह तलवार को अपनी तरफ खींचते दूर तक पहुंच गया. So he was coming very, very, away from these people when he was making his own sword, pulling and piercing, pulling and piercing. He was moving away from the people. He was moving away from the crowd. वह हाँप रहा था. Yeah, he was taking a high breath as if he has done some hazardous task. He was getting so breathe very high and unable to take any normal breath. The man was now away from the crowd. अचानक जहाँ तक लकीर खींच गई थी वहाँ एक दरार होने लगी. Yeah, he was going on drawing a line on the earth, and the line that was drawn by, this, वह हाँप रहा था. He was taking a very high breath as if he has done some hazardous task. अचानक जहाँ लकीर खींच गई वह एक दरार होने लगी. Where he was drawing a very thick line with his wooden sword, slowly, 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 it became a big crack in the earth. मानो धरती दो टुकड़ों में बंटने लगी हो. It was appearing as if the earth is divided into two different parts. एक गड़गड़ाहट सी गूंजने लगी और लकीर भी सीध में धरती फटती ही जा रही थी. It was to the wonder of people that the line was becoming very, very large, and there is a lot of gap between the place where our, Tattara was standing and where Vamiro was standing. The gap was becoming very large, very large, and very large. द्वीप के अंतिम सिरे तक ततारा धरती को मानो क्रोध में काटता जा रहा था. द्वीप, the island, he was cutting the earth as if he is going to divide the island from the other place, and the gap was so wide. And people who were observing this, they were all shivering with fear. द्वीप के अंतिम सिरे तक ततारी धरती को मानो क्रोध में काटता जा रहा था. His anger was not pacified. It was not becoming reduced till he made a very large gap between the places where he was standing and where the girl was standing. सभी भयाकुल हो उठे. Everyone was getting so much of shivering. लोगों ने ऐसे दृश्य की कल्पना भी न की थी. वे सिहर उठे. People were screaming in fear that they never imagined such kind of, ghora or a very, very cruel activity like the earth is breaking into pieces. उधर वामीरो फटती हुई धरती के किनारे चीखती हुई दौड़ रही थी. ततारा, ततारा, ततारा. ततारा उसकी करुण चीख मानो गड़गड़ाहट में डूब गई. That side, Vamiro was coming forward, running forward, and she was crying, calling his name, Tatara, 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 and her sad and a very compatible, say, crying totally was disappearing in the sound of her screaming. उधर वामीरो फटती हुई धरती के किनारे on the edges of the divided line of the island, she was running and calling his name. ततारा दुर्भाग्यवश दूसरी तरफ था. As we know, Tatara was standing on the other side of the crack of the earth. द्वीप के अंतिम सिरे तक धरती को चाकता वह जैसे ही अंतिम छोर पर पहुंचा, द्वीप 2 टुकड़ों में विभक्त हो चुका था. When this girl could reach the edge of the divided earth, already the earth was totally dividing both the parts of the island. Now, this Lapati village is separated from the other village, Pasa. This division has been done by Tatara because he was unable to decide what to do. एक तरफ ततारा था, दूसरी तरफ वामीरो. Just imagine the scene. One side of the cracked earth she was standing, on the other side was our ततारा. ततारा को जैसे ही होश आया, उसने देखा कि उसकी तरफ का द्वीप समुद्र में घसने लगा है. ततारा came to conscious when he saw that the other part of the earth that was from the other village was sinking into the sea slowly, slowly. वह छटपटाने लगा. उसने छलांग लगाकर दूसरा सिरा थामना चाहा, किंतु पकड़ ढीली पड़ गई. He came to know the danger going to happen. He just made a very long jump to catch hold of the hand of his, beloved person, Vamiro, but his hand became so weak, the hold was not very strong, and he was unable to catch hold of the girl's hand. वह नीचे की तरफ फिसलने लगा. He started slowly, slowly slipping into the land. वह लगातार समुद्र की सतह की तरफ फिसल रहा था. He was totally going towards the surface of the sea, and उसके मुंह से सिर्फ एक ही चीख उभर कर डूब रही थी. वामीरो, 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 वामीरो. उधर वामीरो भी ततारा, ततारा, ततारा पुकार रही थी. Both were calling each other from 2 different directions, where the body of Tatara was going deep into the sea, and where the girl was totally slipping into the other side of the earth. Tatara lahulahan ho chuka tha. Yeah, he was bathed in blood. Totally his body was bleeding, and कुछ देर बाद उसे कोई होश नहीं रहा. After some time he totally became unconscious. वह कटे हुए द्वीप के अंतिम भूखंड पर पड़ा हुआ था, जो कि दूसरे हिस्से से संयोगवश जुड़ा हुआ था. Yeah, when he saw himself at last, he was there on the just a piece of land which was not cut from the other village, and he was there on the small piece of land where it was about to cut. It was all fortunately. बहता हुआ ततारा कहाँ पहुँचा, बाद में उसका क्या हुआ कोई नहीं जानता. Somehow बहता हुआ means flowing along with the waters. Tatara was able to go somewhere, nobody knows where. And what happened after that, nobody knows. इधर वामीरो पागल हो उठी, and this Vamiro, the girl, also became almost like unconscious because of a kind of disturbance in the mind and even the body. वह हर समय ततारा को खोजती हुई उसी जगह पहुंचती और घंटों बैठी रहती। इधर वामीरो पागल हो उठी। Here Wamiro also has lost all her conscience. She became mad and every day what she will do, हर समय ततारा की खोजती हुई उसी जगह पहुंचती और घंटों बैठती रहती। What Wamiro will do every day, she comes to the same place where both of them used to meet. She comes there and stands there just say looking for Tatara, and Tatara is no more. उसने खाना पीना छोड़ दिया। Now she is away from at least eating and drinking. She doesn't know what is hunger. She doesn't know what is going on in the other world. Totally she was immersed in the thoughts of Tatara, and she comes to the place, sits there, and always just becomes unconscious there itself. परिवार से वह एक तरह विलग हो गई। इन फैक्ट शी इज़ टोटली सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम हर ओन फैमिली। लोगों ने उसे ढूंढने की बहुत कोशिश की, किंतु कोई सुराग न मिल सका। इन फैक्ट हर फैमिली मेम्बर्स वांटेड टू जस्ट मेक ए सर्च। दिस surag means a clue. They wanted to search for her, but they did not get any clue where she can be found, because she was totally in a different land, that was the village of Tatara. आज न Tatara है न Wamiro. You know, naturally when the time passes away, some time Wamiro also lost her physical body and she is no more. किंतु उनकी यह प्रेम कथा घर घर में सुनाई जाती है। बट द लव स्टोरी ऑफ ततारा एंड वामीरो is totally listened in each and every family of both the places that were divided just by the Atmarpana, Balidan, sacrifice of these two people who are said to be the lovers. निकोबारियों का मत है कि ततारा की तलवार से कार निकोबार के जो टुकड़े हुए उसमें दूसरा लिटिल अंडमान है जो कार निकोबार से आज 99 किलोमीटर दूर स्थित है। People of Nicobar believe that the place where Tatara has divided the earth is today Andaman, and Little Andaman it is called, and this is nearly 96 kilometers away from Car Nicobar Islands, where both of them lived, in a different village in the past. निकोबारी इस घटना के बाद दूसरे गांवों में भी आपसी वैवाहिक संबंध करने लगे। It's too late as per our knowledge. Afterwards, Nicobar people have decided that they can make marriage alliances even from a strange village. That is, a marital alliance was allowed now from the people of two different places. ततारा वामीरो की त्यागमयी मृत्यु शायद इसी सुखद परिवर्तन के लिए थी। Now, it is said that the sacrifice made by these two lovers, the very sad story of Wamiro and Tatara, has given a very good future and a bright opportunity for the people to get a marital alliance with the people of different place. See children, from this lesson what we learn is, or what we get is, it is not correct to make unnecessary restrictions and unnecessary bindings between the people and between the places, which always result in a kind of tragedy. It's all so tragic, but the people of next or forthcoming generations are happy, and we can make a confirmation that this is all foolish to make divisions among ourselves. So, I think you all have followed the lesson carefully. Let us see the grammar in our next class. Thank you, children.